Today we are going to talk about how to make your car last a long time. 10 proven tips for car longevity. Welcome back to Carhelpout.com, your local mobile mechanic service. Near me here, it's a simple way to get an independent certified mobile mechanic service who will come or travel to you at any location at your convenience. Want your car to last 200,000 miles or more? Stick around for 10 real-world tips from a mechanic with 50 years experience. Let's turn your ride into a high-mileage hero. If you're struggling to come up with cash for an emergency auto repair, you're not alone. That's why Auto Car Repair Loans offer a convenient way to gain quick access to the money you need when an emergency pops up. With loans up to $2,500 to $5,000. Visit carhelpout.com/repair loan to get started today. Don't forget, if you ever need to sell your house fast and as-is condition anywhere in the U.S., either to stop foreclosure, avoid county tax auction, or unwanted house, go to boracina.com/carhelpout and get a relief under house burden. Don't forget, if your local small business or good service website needs more traffic exposure from Google, Yahoo, Bing, and other search engines, go to carhelpout.com/SEO. They can help you when it comes to local SEO and online digital marketing service consulting. Regular maintenance is non-negotiable. Oil changes, filters, and fluid checks, don't skip them. 5 minutes under the hood now saves you thousands later. Stick to your owner's manual schedule and your car will thank you. Drive smooth, not wild. Hard acceleration, slamming brakes, and jerky steering wear out your car fast. Treat your pedals gently, anticipate traffic, and coast when you can. You'll save money, fuel, and avoid costly repairs. On cold mornings, let your car idle for 30 seconds to a minute. This gives oil and fluids time to circulate and protect your engine. Don't just start and go. Give your car a moment to get ready, and it'll last longer. Don't ignore warning lights. They're early alerts, not decorations. A check engine light or oil light means act now. Diagnose and fix the problem before it becomes a wallet-busting disaster. Cheap parts cost more in the long run. Use OEM or trusted aftermarket brands. Ask your mechanic for recommendations. Quality parts last, fit right, and keep your car running strong. Don't gamble with your safety or your wallet. Washing and waxing isn't just for looks. It prevents rust and protects your paint. Clean off salt, dirt, and grime regularly. And don't forget the undercarriage. A little effort now keeps your car solid and valuable for years. Check tire pressure monthly. Rotate every 500 miles and keep your alignment in check. Good tires mean better safety, fuel economy, and longer life for your car. Don't neglect the only thing connecting you to the road. Overheating destroys engines. Check coolant levels, use the right antifreeze mix, and flush the system as recommended. Watch your temperature gauge. If it climbs, pull over. A cool engine is a happy engine. Park in a garage or use a car cover to shield your car from sun weather and thieves. Protecting your car from the elements preserves paint, prevents rust, and keeps it safer. Give your car a good home. Pay attention to new noises, smells, or changes in how your car drives. Catching small issues early prevents big repairs later. Know your car's normal sounds. When something's off, investigate before it gets worse. Treat your car right and it'll go the distance. These 10 tips aren't just about saving money, they're about reliability and peace of mind. Don't fall for maintenance-free myths. Invest a little time and care, and your car will reward you with years of dependable service. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share your own tips in the comments. Keep those engines revving, and see you next time. Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jumpstart, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.